Hey, how you guys doing? This is Kevin from St. Louis with Pickin in the Hood too. I'm sorry I had to hesitate, but I'm driving down the street right now. Yeah, just Pickin in the Hood too. You know, I'm on my way to the thrift to the Benz. Well, they don't call it the Benz here in St. Louis. Some people just say, you know, Goodwill outlet, but I'm calling it the Benz because they got these big ass Benz they roll out. But anyway, I'm gonna meet my daughter there, one of my babies. You know, my oldest baby, she got to work. She worked real hard, and she's a nurse. That's my oldest baby. This is my second oldest baby. She's 34. You know, she just had a baby. So anyway, I'm gonna meet her there, and we're gonna do some picking in the bins. Yeah, buddy. Let's see what that. And I don't have that much time. Anyway, this Kevin with Pickin in the Hood. You know, they don't want you recording in there or nothing, so I'm gonna show you guys what I get a little bit later when I go to work. But I sold a couple of things yesterday. You know those Star Wars cards I showed you guys? Woo! $65 for those Star Wars cards that I showed you in that box. I paid $5 for. Then I sold what else I said? I sold 2 water guns, Nerf water guns. They was vintage water guns. They paid $75 for those. I sold them as a pair, and I shouldn't have sold them as a pair because one of them was worth $50 by itself. So anyway, I sold 2 of those. I sold not a PS. I sold a Nintendo Advanced SP game for $17, and I sold something else. I forgot what else it was. I sold 6 items. So the 2 main items were those water guns for $70, and those Star Wars cards that I told you. I said anything Star Wars I'ma buy. Remember I told y'all that? Anything Star Wars I'm buying. I don't give a damn. $70. I paid $5 for them. Woo! So we get ready to go to the Benz, and I'll see you guys later when I get out of there. All right.